Most design highlights borrowed from Kw's concept driving range of about 250 km, new grille, headlamp assembly and redesigned bumpers. Renault Kwid EV's patent images have been leaked ahead of its official debut in China later this year. Most of the styling elements have been borrowed from the Kw concept, which was showcased at the 2018 Paris Motor Show. The China-bound model will be locally manufactured by the EGT New Energy Automotive Co., which is the joint venture between the Dongfeng Motor Group and Nissan. Based on what can be seen, the electric version of the Kwid hatchback distinguishes itself from the regular version with a new grille, headlamp assembly and redesigned bumpers. Additionally, the vehicle will sit on special alloy wheels and non-functional air intakes. The company has not revealed technical details of the electric version yet, except for the fact that it will have a driving range of 250 km on a single change. The vehicle will have a dual charging system that can be charged via commercial electric chargers as well as regular home-based plug points. Some of the new design highlights might be carried forward on the standard version as well. The electric version of the Kwid is unlikely to be introduced in India anytime soon. That said, the company has revealed its plans to introduce at least one electric vehicle in the country by 2020.